In this video, we'll explore how to create dynamic titles in Power BI based on slicer selections. This feature is extremely helpful when you want to update your report title dynamically as users interact with slicers. Power BI makes this easy using basic DAX measures. With just a few lines of code, your titles can reflect whatever is selected in the slicers. No complex logic required. Let's walk through how you can create a dynamic title like all year sales for all products in all states that changes with slicer input. Let's jump into the Power BI interface and walk through the steps to create a dynamic title based on slicer values. Step 1. Load your data. Make sure your data model includes fields like year, product, and location. These will be tied to your slicers. Step 2. Create a measure for the title. First, define 3 measures to capture slicer selections. 1. Selected year. Captures the selected year or defaults to all years. 2. Selected product. Captures the selected product or defaults to all products. 3. Selected location. Captures the selected location or defaults to all states. Then, create the title measure that combines these values into a dynamic title, updating as slicers are adjusted. Step 3. Use the measure as a title. Add a card visual. Drag your dynamic title measure onto it. Format it like a title and place it on top of your report. Step 4. Test it. Click through your calendar, product, and location slicers and watch your title change instantly to reflect the selected values. This is a simple yet powerful feature in Power BI, and it can be incredibly useful for creating more interactive and user-friendly reports. By using a few basic DAX measures, you can give your users a personalized experience with dynamic titles based on their slicer selections. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.